Hello my beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing this gorgeous unit from Perfect Hairline. It's a lace frontal wig, 16 inch and 13 by 4 in the color 1B. Yes, we're also going to install the wig, so don't go anywhere and let me know in the comments what you think. Oh yes, girl, I'm just excited as you are. I know, right? Like, this wig is drop dead gorgeous. The curls are curling, the shine is beautiful, and come on, do you see the lace and the pre-plucked baby hair? Don't even get me started on the baby hair. Like, it's just perfection. If this is your first time trying on a wig, I would recommend you buying from this unit. And don't worry, I'll show you step by step how you can slay your first install like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. So as you can see, I've got my mannequin head, and honestly, I really recommend you getting one. It just makes the whole process so much easier. Now we're just going to make sure that all the hair around the lace is tied up so we don't accidentally cut it. And I'm just playing a little bit with the hair because these baby hairs are looking so cute, but we're not touching them yet. Once everything is in a bun, make sure those baby hair are out of your way. Now step 3, I want you to pay careful attention to this part, girls. It's very important. You grab a small pair of scissors and start cutting right under the hairline. Watch this part carefully. It's super important, please. Like I said before, this wig is just perfect. As you can see, you literally can't do anything wrong with this wig. Girls, just make sure that the baby hairs are out of your way. As you can see, some of the baby hairs are like underneath the lace. So you make sure, grab something small, grab a toothpick, grab your comb, and just try to push every baby hair out of this lace. Once you've done that, you've already done the biggest job. So now you grab your scissors and you cut right under the hairline. Not too close to the hairline so you don't lose your baby hair, but just right under, like an inch or two under. But just watch the video. I'm showing you exactly how you should cut it. You can take a little bit more space if you want to, but I'm cutting it so short or so tight to the hairline because I feel like it makes it look just more natural. That's my preference. You do as you please. I'm not going to talk too much during this part. I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments and I will gladly help you out. Whew, girl, we got it. Next, you're going to grab your lace tint. I have the shade chocolate because this fits my skin tone the best. You have to see for yourself what skin tone you have, what color, and then you go and buy what fits you best. After you've sprayed your lace, because let me tell you, this is the most important part. You have to make sure you spray it everywhere. If you leave parts out, you're going to see the difference and your wig will not look natural. Once you're done, you're just gonna grab your hair dryer and dry it up. You can also dry it in the air, but we don't have time for that today. Right, before you put on your wig cap, make sure that your hair is in a protective hairstyle. I know mine isn't in a cornrow or something else. I didn't have time to do my hair, so I'm just putting it in a bun, and I'm making sure that my baby hairs are also moisturized before putting on my wig cap. One wig cap is more than enough, but as you can see, mine has holes in it, and that's why I'm putting 2. I didn't show you the back, but make sure that every single string of your own hair is under that wig cap. Now the inside of the wig, we have an elastic band. You can adjust this, and I like to make mine really tight so that I'm sure it won't fall off. I'm putting it behind my bun, and I'm putting my wig like over it, you know. Now we're making sure that the lace at the front is laying completely flat, no bumps, no folds, okay? So just use your fingers and go gently underneath to smooth it and make sure it's sitting right on your natural hairline. Take your time with this step. Don't rush it because this is what's going to make your install look flawless and natural, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna show you how amazing this wig is because sorry, but look at this lace. Once you use the right lace tint color, I'm telling you, there is no going back. People will literally ask you if this is your real hair. They will think it is growing out of your scalp. Like, come on, look at this. Flawless. Lace wear, excuse me, madam. Lace wear? No, but seriously, look, I'm so hyped. You can style it however you want. There is no fixed middle part or side part. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, which means you have full freedom to style it the way you want it. And I'm just showing you how amazing this unit is because trust me, you need to get yourself one like this. Oh, and I even almost forgot, there is no glue. Back to business. You take your got2b glue. You pull your wig back a little bit and you spray the glue right along your hairline, exactly where the wig will sit. And as you spray, you go in with your blow dryer so it gets tacky and doesn't drip down your face. But that's something that you can fix later. If it does, don't worry. After that, you lay your wig right on that spot. You go ahead and take your rat tail comb and press the lace while you're blow drying again, okay? That's how you get the perfect melt. And that's it, baby. You've done it. Once it's done, no wind, no stress, no drama is taking this wig off your head, okay? You've done it. It's glued on. But if you want extra security, you can always use a wig band for about 5 to 10 minutes. But me, I'm good over here. This wig isn't going anywhere. Now just comb it out, style it however you like, and let's finish it off with a little mousse for that flawless bouncy look. You're almost done, girl. Keep watching because this is the final look. Oh, and I almost forgot. Make sure to wipe off any got2b glue from your forehead before you start styling. I also had to use a little bit of water because this wig was so full after I've combed it. Like the mousse just wasn't enough, but honestly, that's a good thing. There was no shedding, the curls are popping, and I am obsessed. Everything about this wig is just beautiful. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. And let me know in the comments what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know because I might just do another one for you. All right, I'm done. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Mwah.